Hello everyone, my name is Katya, and today let's spoil our fur babies and make them these fun and easy toys using scrap yarn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Using our 4.5mm crochet hook, we're going to start with the magic ring. Hold on to the yarn tail with your thumb, wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers, crisscross it in the front. Hold on to the working yarn with your ring finger. Insert your hook underneath the first circle. Using the second circle, bring out a loop, twist it, go into your working yarn and chain 1. Here we have a magic ring with the chain 1. For round 1, we're going to work 6 single crochets. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull on this yarn tail, tighten the center, and round 1 is finished. For round 2 and the rest of the rounds, you're going to need some sort of a stitch marker. I'm using a piece of yarn. Go ahead and place it in front of the first single crochet. And using that single crochet, we're going to work 2 single crochets. So pick up that stitch and work 2 single crochets using that stitch, the first stitch. And let's repeat. Into the next stitch, work 2 single crochets. Here's 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second single crochet. And you're going to repeat this pattern around. And at the end of this round, you should have 12 single crochets. And if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single crochets at the end of round 2. For round 3, we're going to start by working 1 single crochet into the first stitch and work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Again, work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochets into the following stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochets into the following stitch. Here's 1 and then 2. Again, 1 and then 2. And let's repeat this one more time. Work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochets into the last stitch. And remember, into the first stitch we worked 1 single crochet. And at the end of this round we have 18 single crochets. Let's go ahead and start in round 4. We're going to work 1 single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Here's 1. Go into the next stitch and work your next single crochet. Into the following stitch, work 2 single crochets. Let's repeat. We're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and into the following stitch work 2 single crochets. Again, let's work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and into the following stitch work 2 single crochets. Continue working on this pattern and I'll meet you at the end of this round. So you're going to work 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and repeat until the end, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. At the end of round 4, we have 24 single crochets. For round 5 all the way to round 10, we're just going to work 1 single crochet around. So you're going to pick up each stitch and you're going to work 1 single crochet using those stitches. And for each round you're going to have 24 single crochets. Continue working on this pattern for round 5 all the way to round 10, and I'll meet you at the end of round 10 to show you what to do next. At the end of round 10, this is how it looks like. Round 11 will be our decrease round, and to work on our decreases, we're going to start by working 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, And now using the next 2 stitches, we're going to work an invisible decrease. And to do that, we're going to insert our hook using the front loop of the next stitch, and then going to the following stitch and pick up the front loop of that stitch. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat. We're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and let's work a decrease using the next 2 stitches. Pick up the front loop of the next stitch, go into the following stitch and pick up the front loop of that stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, now yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat again, work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and let's work a decrease. Pick up the front loop, go into the next stitch, pick up the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat again. Now work a decrease. And you're going to continue and work the same pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. I'm coming to the end of round 11 and I have 2 stitches left. I'm going to work my last decrease. And at the end of this round, we have 18 single crochets. Let's go ahead and stuff our work, and I'm just going to use some stuffing with catnip. Once you're done stuffing the toy, let's go ahead and continue by working on round 12. And round 12 will be our decrease round. And what we're going to do is we're going to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and now work a decrease using the next 2 stitches. So pick up front loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat, work 1 single crochet, and then a decrease. And I am holding on to the stuffing using my finger like this. Just going to work my decrease, and again work 1 single crochet, and now work 1 decrease using the next 2 stitches. And you're going to continue on this pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. For round 13, we're going to work a decrease round. We're going to work decrease using the next 2 stitches, and we're going to repeat. We're going to work decreases all around, and at the end of this round we should have 6 single crochets. And if you need to adjust the stuffing, you can do it now. If you want to add more, you can. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just trying to close your gap. And this ends round 13. For round 14, all we're going to do is just work decreases around, as many decreases as we can. So we're just picking up stitches and just working a decrease. And here's 1 more decrease, and if I can, I'll do 1 more, and if I cannot, that's okay. There's no right or wrong here. You're just trying to close the gap. And once you're done with your decreases, this is how it looks like. Next, we're going to go ahead and work a chain of about 50 to 70. It depends how long you want this to be. I'm just going to continue and chain up 50, and I'll meet you back. I changed mine and I worked a total of 100 chains just to make it longer. You can even make it longer than that if you want to. Let's go ahead and count back about 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And into that chain, or it doesn't have to be into that chain, it's up to you which chain you use. You're going to slip stitch to add this little loop to hold on to, or to add it to your cat's toys. And chain 1 and cut your yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it. Now you can use this hook, and using the chains you can wrap your yarn tail around your hook and pull through just to hide this yarn tail. And here are our finished toys. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.